Africa must constantly and practically ask itself the question, what did His Majesty King Moshoeshoe say? When His Majesty King Moshoeshoe II tragically passed away, almost exactly 30 years ago today, not only Lesotho, but also the entirety of our continent, Africa, lost an outstanding leader and Pan-Africanist. But Your Majesty's fellow Africans and friends, I would make bold to say that, though very sadly we lost the man, we should never allow that we lose his ideas. The Africa which King Moshoeshoe II so dearly loved continues to experience the challenges sought to address with such great precision, such passion, and such wisdom. And exactly to facilitate its continuing but challenging journey towards its unity and renaissance, Africa must constantly and practically ask itself the question, what did His Majesty King Moshoeshoe say? Modimo o tla hlohonolofatsa moya wa hae ka ho sa feleng. Thank you very much for your attention.